not first time in speaking English, first time taking a webinar in English. Okay, because I have not speak in English more than 5 minutes. In a call, I can speak in English around 5 minutes, but it is a 1 hour continuous class now. That's why light fear is here. That's also. Thank you. Okay. First, today class as an agenda is first one is an introduction. So introduction of myself. So it may take a 5 minutes to what to relax. That's why I put the introduction of myself. Okay. And then disclaimer. Disclaimer. I will say that. Then GST FAQs. I have only 10 FAQs only today. Okay. Because even if someone is not understand what I'm saying, or if you want to repeat it, you may put it in a chat box. So there will be a plenty of time. So I can represent the page, or if you want it, I can what Tamil na explain pandren. Okay. Then last feedback and Q&A. Okay. Kindly bear with me this one day. Okay. So first one is introduction. I'm Ganesh Murthy. Everyone know my name. Other than that, even Neelakandan sir, Murugesan sir, Sendamil Selvan sir. Other than that, personally, they don't anything about me. I hereby introduce myself. I'm Ganesh Murthy from Karur. Actually, my native is Aruppukottai, which is Virudhunagar, located in Virudhunagar district. Okay. Actually, I discontinued my school at 9th standard. Then I, for the 5 years, I was in work, okay, due to the family situation. And then through tutorial college, I completed 10th and 12th. After that, my teacher told me to take company secretaryship. Okay, then only I am familiar with the legal terminology. Then only the my journey started with the accounts. Okay, so this is my a brief introduction. That's all. That's why I have a fear. I'm not coming from a English medium. Even I discontinued. Even I have not completed the degree through regular, just through correspondence only. I have completed BCom. So that's why sweating. Okay, this is my small brief introduction. Okay, the next one is a disclaimer. Just a minute, I am opening the chat box. Okay, chat. Okay, so chat box is not opening. Okay, a disclaimer. So what I am going to, so what we are going to discuss in this session is fully a personal opinion of myself based on my experience. Okay, it is not a professional advice. This session will be for educational purpose only. Okay, then GST FAQs we are going. The first one. Okay, the first one is, first question is a service provided to non-resident. Okay, payment received through bank in INR, Indian rupee. Okay, payment received in Indian rupee. Whether this will be considered as export of service? If yes, put A in the chat box. If this is not an export of service, enter no in the chat box. Okay. Okay. Okay, we are getting mixed answers, but the major answer is no. The participants are saying that it is not an export of service. The major participants. Okay. The place of location, as I have already said that it is service provided to a non-resident. Actually, place of supply rules say that when the supplier location is available, the place of supply will be the location of the recipient. Where the address of the recipient is available, the place of supply will be the location of the recipient. Okay, so here service provided to a non-resident, so that country will be the place of supply. So it automatically the other territory, other taxable territory, non-taxable territory. Okay, so major of them said no, it is not export of services. So we may say that, see the answer. Okay, so the answer is yes, it may be considered as an export of service, because as per section 2(6) of the IGST Act defines export of service means a supplier of service located in India, recipient of service is located outside India, the place of supply is service outside India. So these three conditions are already satisfied. The fourth main condition is the payment of such service has been received by the supplier of such convertible foreign exchange. So this was up to 1st February 2019. Okay, up to 1st February 2019, the amount received should be in foreign convertible exchange. Okay, after with effect from 1st February 2019, it is amended. An Indian rupee also permitted to receive for export of service, which is permitted by RBI. Okay, there is a special rupee Vastro account is there, as already Senthamil Selvan sir, while explaining the case law, he already mentioned this. So even if you receive INR, if it is through a special rupee Vastro account, it is considered as an export of service. Okay. Is it okay? Shall we go to the next question, or any explanation required? Okay, thank you. It's not here. Okay, okay. Okay, the second question, a registered person doing F&O, future and options or intraday trading. Okay, for the value of rupees 10 crore, whether it is a supply of goods or supply of services. This is the question. Option available is supply of goods, supply of service, none of the above. Okay. Okay.
Many of the answers are in C.
There's only 10 answers received yet. I request all the participants to participate in the FAQ. Okay, the major answer received is none of the above. Okay, but 2 or 3% entered as a supply of services. Okay, we will see the answer. The answer is securities are not considered as goods or services. So the answer is C. Okay, as per section 255 of CGST Act defines goods means every movable property other than money and securities. So here securities are completely excluded from the definition of goods. So it is not a supply of goods. Okay. So we are not going to read the complete definition and explain it. Just I am point out the which is relevant to this question. Okay. Then section 2, class 102 of CGST Act defines services. Service means, just a minute. Okay. So hereby define services means any services other than goods, monies, and securities. So in services also, the securities are excluded. So it is not considered as goods or services. Okay. So we go to the next question. So the next question is, a registered person has a sale of land or building or both for the value of 50 lakhs, whether it is a supply of services or supply of goods. Same question, just thing is differed. Okay. Okay. Most of them saying C is none of the above, but few of them entered as A, supply of goods. Okay, we will see the answer. Actually, land and building is neither goods nor services. It's a immovable property. Okay, so we have already seen as per section 255 of CGST Act, goods means movable property other than monies and securities, includes actionable claim, growing crops. Okay, this is the definition. Okay, the definition starts with any movable property other than monies and securities. So land and building is not a movable property, hence it is not considered as goods. Okay, and as per schedule 3 para 5 specifically said, sale of land and sale of buildings shall be treated neither as supply of goods nor a supply of services. So land and building is neither a goods nor a services. The correct answer is C. Okay. Shall we go to the next question? Is it okay? Okay. Okay, the next question is a registered person doing the same person doing a F&O and intraday trading. The person we have seen in the previous question for the value of 10 crore. Okay, whether he has to reverse the common ITC. This is the question. If you want to reverse the common ITC, press option A. Yes, ITC reversal is mandatory. If he is not required to reverse the common ITC, you have to put option B. As we have already seen, F&O and intraday trading is neither a goods nor a services, whether common ITC reversal is required. Okay, we are getting a mixed answers. Some person says A, some says B. Okay, need more answers. There are only 10, 12 answers only there.
நீங்க ரொம்ப ஆசைப்படுறீங்க. 1000 பேர் இருக்க இடத்துல 5 பேர் தான் சொல்லுவாங்க. 34 பேர் இருக்க இடத்துல எத்தனை பேர் சொல்லுவாங்க?
Okay, okay. Because I have to manage the 1 hour now. I have 10 questions only. So participant have to participate. Okay, we will see the answer. Before that, I have another question related to the same. The same person we have seen in the previous question as a sale of building or sale of land or both of 50 lakhs rupees, whether he has to reverse the common ITC. As we have already seen, sale of land or building is also neither a supply of goods, neither a supply of services. Whether he has to reverse. Okay. Again, mixed answers only received. Okay. Before we go to the answer, same related question. The same person having an inward supply is liable to pay tax under reverse charge, whether he has to reverse the common ITC. For example, I have a taxable supply of 1 crore and I have an exempted supply of 10 lakh and I have a sale of land of 50 lakh. I have a F&O trading of 10 crore and I have paid RCM, okay. And you may say transport charges for GTA, around 10 lakh I have paid. Whether I have to reverse the common ITC for that 10 lakh also? Here the question is related to inward supplies liable to tax under RCM. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Okay. So most of them said yes. We will see the answer. And another one question. Okay, there are 4 questions related to the same matter, but answer is single. Before we go to the answer, the last question is, I have a registered person have a sale of high C sale. Okay, and not a sale of, registered person has a high C sale of 10 crore rupees or 1 crore rupees, any amount. Okay, whether he has to reverse the common ITC. Ram Gopal sir says no. So high C sale, what is high C sale? So a person importing a material, before it reach the custom destination of India, he sell that good before reaches it. Okay, in that time it is said to be a high C sale. Okay. If anyone not understanding, you may request me to tell once more or tell in Tamil. Explain in Tamil, so I will explain in Tamil also. Okay. ஸோ ஞானராஜ் சார் வந்து தமிழில் ஒரு தடவை எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணுங்கன்னு சொல்லியிருக்காரு. ஸோ அதுக்காக நான் தமிழில் சொல்கிறேன். ஸோ ஹை சி சேல் அப்படிங்கிறது என்னன்னா, ஸோ வந்து நான் ஒரு ப்ராடக்ட் வந்து இம்போர்ட் பண்ணியிருக்கேன், ஒரு மெஷினரியோ இல்லை எனக்கு தேவையான ரா மெட்டீரியல். ஓகேங்களா? ஸோ நான் ஒரு பிளைவுட் மேனுஃபேக்சர் பண்ணுறேன். எனக்கு தேவையான ஒரு வினீர் ஷீட்டோ இல்லை ஏதோ ஒரு ஷீட் வச்சுக்கோங்க. வினீர் ஷீட் வந்து நான் ஆர்டர் பண்ணியிருக்கேன் ஃப்ரம் சைனாலேருந்து. எனக்கு சைனாலேருந்தோ இல்லை வேற ஒரு கண்ட்ரிலேருந்தோ, அந்த கண்ட்ரிலேருந்து இந்தியாவோட கஸ்டம் லொக்கேஷனுக்கு வர்றதுக்கு முன்னாடி என்னோட என்னோட நெய்பர்னு வச்சுக்கோங்களேன், அவர் ஒரு பிஸ்னஸ் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காரு, சேம் பிளைவுட் பிஸ்னஸ் தான். அவர் என்கிட்ட கேட்குறாரு, ஏங்க நானும் ஆர்டர் பண்ணலான் இருந்தேன், எனக்கு வந்து அதில் வந்து ஒரு பார்ட்டை எனக்கு அதை கொடுங்க அப்படிங்கிறத அவர் சொல்கிறப்போ, ஸோ அவர் என்ன பர்ச்சேஸ் பண்ணாரோ அந்த வேல்யூலேருந்து ஒரு மார்ஜின் வச்சு கஸ்டம்ஸ் லொக்கேஷன், அதாவது இங்கே சென்னையில் வந்து லேண்ட் ஆகணும்னா, சென்னை போர்ட்டுக்கு வரணும்னா அதுக்கு முன்னாடியே சீல இருக்கும்போதே, அதாவது அங்கேருந்து எக்ஸ்போர்ட்டர் வந்து அனுப்பிட்டாரு, ஆன் டிரான்சிட்ல இருக்கும்போது அவர் சேல் பண்ணுறதுக்கு பேர் தான் ஹைசி சேல். இது ஆக்சுவலாக வந்து இதுவும் நெய்தர் சப்ளை ஆஃப் குட்ஸ் அண்ட் சப்ளை ஆஃப் சர்வீசஸ், இதுக்கும் ஜிஎஸ்டி கிடையாது. ஸோ அப்படிங்கிற பட்சத்தில் இதுக்கு நான் ஒரு காமன் ஐடிசி வச்சிருக்கேங்கிறப்போ இதுக்கான ஐடிசியை நான் ரிவர்ஸ் பண்ணணுமா? ஸோ இதுதான் கொஸ்டின். ஸோ இந்த திஸ் இஸ் த 4th கொஸ்டின். We will see the answer. Okay. So Ram Gopal sir again says yes, ITC should be reversed. CMA Madan Kumar sir also say yes. Okay.
No, I posted no.
Okay. Murugesan sir said no, ITC reversal is not required. Okay. We will see the answer. Actually, this is the answer for all the 4 questions. So first one. So generally speaking, yes, he has to reverse the ITC as per section 17(2). Okay, this question about F1O trading, sale of land and building, inward supplies liable to RCM. Okay, so for this 3 category, he has to reverse the common ITC. As per section 17(3) explains, the value of exempt supply under section 17(2) shall be such as may be prescribed. Okay, and shall include supplies on which recipient liable to pay tax and RCM. Okay, so first, exempt supply, value of exempt supply includes inward supply liable to RCM, and transaction in securities, sale of land and sale of building. So these 3 items already included in the value of exempt supply as per section 17(3). Okay, So these three items to be included in the exempted supply in for while calculating the common ITC reversal formula, it should be added to the exempted supply. Okay. And in the same section, explanation is given. Value of exempt supply not include the value of activities or transactions specified in Schedule 3. So Schedule 3 talks about which is neither supply of goods nor supply of services. Okay. So value of exempt supply shall not include the value of activities or transactions specified in Schedule 3 except these two. Okay. So these two is first one. So value of activities transactions specified in paragraph 5 of Schedule 3. Paragraph 5 of Schedule 3 is sale of land and sale of building. So it is already included in the definition. Okay. So it is already included in the exempt supply. The second point, explanation to the second point, it says para 8A of Schedule 3. So para 8A of Schedule 3 is a high C sale. So high C sale is included in the exempt supply. Okay. So these four items are to be included in the exempt supply, and common ITC is to be reversed. Most of them is not not including the inward supplies liable to tax under RCM. That is the issue. So we have to reverse the common ITC for inward supplies liable to pay under RCM. For example, if we have paid reverse charge method, tax and a reverse charge method for a transport charges around 10 lakh, your turnover is 1 crore, you have to reverse the 10% of common ITC. Okay. Is it clear? Shall we go to the next question? Yes, sir. That is the question here. Subramanian Armugam, sir. For sale of non-GST item itself, here the definition given, okay. As per section 17.3, the value of exempted supply include supply of transaction in securities, sale of land and sale of building. These also a non-GST item. While you refer the exempt supply definition, the exempt supply includes nil rated supply, exempt supply and non-GST supplies. So the exempt supply definition itself includes a non-GST supplies. Okay. So the next question. It is about e-commerce operator. An e-commerce operator registered in Tamil Nadu, he have a vendor in other state. Okay. Whether he has to get registration in that state. This is the question. I'm an e-commerce operator. I have a own website. Okay. In various states, vendors are coming to me to register as a vendor. I registered their product in my e-commerce website. Now I have to collect TCS from them. Am I right? 1% I have to collect up to 14th July. From 15th July 2024, it is 0.5%. So whether in this case, whether I have to get separate registration in every state where the vendor is located. If it is mandatory to get registered in every state, answer is A. Kindly enter A in the chat box. If no, he can collect and pay TCS using the single GST. You may enter as B. Because most of them is not dealing with the e-commerce operator, but they have a client with selling through e-commerce operator. So in that case, you can verify your TCS, you can find that answer. Just a minute. We are getting only 6 answers. I'm waiting. No. Okay, we will go to the answer. Okay. Actually, the first 6 answer is correct. Okay. Yes, the answer is yes. E-commerce operator has to get registered himself in every state wherever his vendor is located. Okay. What is the reason? Even FAQ is released by CBIC. It says registration is to be required in each state and union territory, as the application for payment of TCS would be there in every intrastate and interstate. For example, I'm an e-commerce operator registered in Tamil Nadu. A person from Kerala registered as a vendor. I have to collect TCS of 0.25 percentage. Okay, 0.25 percentage of CGST and 0.25 percentage of SGST is the place of supply in Kerala. Do you understand? A vendor registered in Kerala, also a buyer in Kerala purchase that product. I have to collect TCS, CGST and Kerala SGST 0.25 percentage. In that case, I have to registered in Kerala. Then only I could pay the Kerala state tax. Then only the liability CGST, SGST will be reflected in his 8A as a Kerala SGST. Do you understand? So I have given a link of the FAQ related to TCS. It is updated up to 30th November 2018 only, but it will be very helpful for understand the basic of TCS. Okay. So the next question, it is related to the same. Whether an e-commerce operator required to collect TCS for the vendor who is not registered. So from 1st April 2023, as we have already seen in the previous classes, unregistered person can also register as a vendor in the e-commerce operator. Okay. In that case, whether that e-commerce operator also has to collect TCS for the transaction done by the unregistered person. If yes, press, put A in the chat box. If no, put B in the chat box. Okay. Whether for the unregistered person also, TCS has to be collected. Kavita ma'am said, no, not required to collect TCS for the unregistered person. Only one answer received it. Okay, we will go to the answer. Before that, I have another question related to the same. That vendor is supplying exempted supplies. Okay, whether in this case, e-commerce operator should collect TCS. If yes, put A. If no, put B. Whether the question is clear? I am a vendor. I am supplying exempt supplies. So in that case, whether that e-commerce operator has to collect TCS from me. CMA Madan Kumar sir said no. Ram Gopal sir said yes, the e-commerce operator should collect TCS. So mixed answers, but very few of them only participated in the poll.
Yes. I am also yes.
Okay. Sivakumar sir says mandatory deductions. Okay. Okay, we will go to the answer because e-commerce operator, few of them only dealing with it. Okay. So the first answer, the vendor is not registered. So in that case, he is below the threshold limit, he is not required to pay tax. Where he is not required to pay tax, the tax collection is not applicable. Okay, the concept of tax collection is to disclose the sale of the supplier. Okay, sale of the supplier where he going to pay tax. The unregistered person is not going to pay any tax under GST. So the TCS collection is not applicable for the unregistered person. Okay, this is the answer, and same applicable to the exempt supplies. The exempt supplier also is not going to pay tax. Hence, the collection of TCS is not required. So this is all in the FAQ of that 30th November 2018. You may refer it. The link is given in the previous page. Okay. So now we have a last 3 questions only, I think. So this is the question. Actually, this question is taken from Venu sir group. Sir? Okay.
No problem, sir. No problem. You can.
Okay. Okay. Loss of vehicle is admitted by the insurance companies around 2.5 lakhs. Okay. Claim received. Sorry. Loss of vehicle one admitted by the insurance companies. The WDV of the vehicle is 2.5 lakhs only, but the claim approved is 3 lakhs. So in that case, whether GST is applicable for the insurance claim? This is the question. Option available is yes, the total 3 lakhs will be chargeable to GST. Option B, only 2.5 lakhs GST is applicable. Option C, the excess of 50K only GST applicable. Option D, GST is not applicable for the insurance claim. So kindly put your answer.
My answer is C.
C. Okay. 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 Most of them said C. We will see the answer. Actually, the answer is D. GST is not applicable for the insurance claim. As per Schedule 3, Para 6 of the CGST Act, actionable claim other than specified actionable claims are treated as neither supply of goods nor supply of services. Okay, it is not a supply of goods nor a supply of services. Hence, GST is not applicable for the insurance claim. As per Section 2, Clause 102 of CGST Act, specified actionable claim means actionable claims involved by way of betting, casinos, gambling, horse racing, and online money gaming. Okay, these are only considered as a specified actionable claim. These are only comes under the purview of taxable, purview of GST. So other than that, actionable claims are not considered as a goods nor services. Okay, are you clear? But if the asset vehicle is purchased before 5 years, okay, within a 5 years, and ITC is already availed, you have to reverse the proportionate ITC at the time of sale or disposal. Okay. Okay, thank you. We'll go to the next question. Actually, this is the one critical question. I think notice is coming through this question, or it will be issued shortly to everyone who are having a export clients. The participant, I'm asking you, who are having the export clients and have availed refund. If you have availed refund, enter yes in the chat box. Yes. CMA Madan sir said yes. Why there are more than 35% in this chat? No one have an export client? Whether it is a LUT or a IGST refund? Okay, no problem. We will go to the question. Whether a registered person doing export and avails refund Is he eligible to avail refund if he avail duty drawback or ROSL incentive? This is the question. If he is eligible for refund, press yes. Not eligible for refund, press no. That means put no in the chat box. Okay. Everyone said yes, he is eligible for a refund. Is that means everyone is getting refund like that? Am I right? Okay, we will see the answer. Actually, as per Provision 3 of Section 54(3) of the CGST Act, no refund is allowed if the supplier of goods or service or both avails the duty drawback of central tax or claims the refund of IGST on such supplies. Okay, if he has a IGST refund, if he avail duty drawback, that he is not eligible for a refund. This is what says Provision 3 of Section 54(3). Also, circular number 37 dated 15th March 2018 said, clarifies that just a minute, okay, in mouse. Just a minute, I'm having an issue with mouse. Okay. Okay. Circular number 37 said, a supplier availing of drawback only in respect of basic custom duty shall be available to refund of ITC. So if you have availed refund only against custom duty, you are eligible for a refund. It is said by, it is clarified by circular number 37. Circular 125 said that in respect of duties rebated under customs and SENVAT duties drawback rules 2017, he shall be eligible for a refund. Okay, as per circular 125, the customs and SENVAT duties drawback rules comes with effect from 1/10/2017. Before that 3 months, that refund availed are issued notice and demand raised. Okay, so after 1st October 2017, and if you have availed refund under this rules only, you are eligible for a refund. Okay, is it clear? Shall we go to the next question? Okay, I think this is the last question. What is the GST rate for drinking water supply through tanker lorry? Option A, nil rate. Option B, 12%. Option C, 18%. I'm getting few answers only. Just a minute. Okay, we will go to the answer. As per serial number 99 of notification 2/2017, central tax rate dated 28 June 2017, water other than aerated, mineral, distilled, medicinal, ionic, battery, demineralized, and water sold in sealed container is nil rated. Okay, so here this notification clearly said that other than sealed container, a fresh water is exempted. It is a nil rated. Even also circular number 52 said that, clarifies that supply of water other than those excluded from serial number 99 of notification number 2/2017 would attract GST at nil rated. And that circular also clarifies that supply of drinking water for public purpose not supplied in sealed container is just exempted from GST. Okay. Is it clear? Or anyone have a doubt in that? Okay. So I think this is the last question. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for bear with me. And this is the first session I took in English. Okay, I will share the
Ganesh
PDF.
Murthy sir, it's well and good. Whereas Neelakandan sir, kindly allow me 1 minute more to speak.
Sir, most welcome, sir. Please, sir.
Okay. Sir, the second question that you had put, kindly take it, sir. Hello, sir. The second question, that is rupee, Indian rupees, INR for export, export
Yes,
service.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. This is the one. The thing is, there is a difference because this is the first time that I am hearing it, and it is okay, well and good. But what the twist of the means, the crux of the question is, if it is in a INR, I felt that it is not export of service. That is the thing. Okay.
Okay.
And for goods, is this for goods, is this the conditions or what is the thing, sir?
No,
For
sir.
goods.
For goods, it is not an issue. The export of service is the INR is availed. I have to check whether goods INR is allowed, because actually for the goods everything will be there. The shipping will be there. That clearly denotes that it is an export of
because
goods.
bill of
But
lading is
yes,
there.
yes,
bill of-
everything is there for export of goods. For
Okay.
export of service only, always a debate arises
Only
because we
documentation
cannot
is
prove.
there.
That's why I took this question.
And the amount will become BLR or something like that. By amount, how it comes, and everything to be proved with the officer to get the refund also. And
Yes, sir.
for the
Even
goods-
there is a no refund. For example,
Ah.
if an officer is not not is there one, I'm not getting the word.
Aware of that.
Not up. Okay, not aware of this. Not approve. Not accept your point. It is received in INR. He may said that it is a taxable supply. You have to pay 18% of
Exactly.
whatever amount. That is the issue. The
Yes,
refund
yes.
here is
So
not only the issue. It
Could
will
I,
be considered as a taxable supply.
so could I interfere here? Savenuji,
Yeah. Here, yeah, Murugan sir, you can.
advise my client to take LUT and then do it because the amount is in INR.
Yes.
Prove as it is import, export or anything. So you have to get the LUT and then do a business with this type of exchange.
Okay.
No, sir. LUT is only for export. Okay.
Yeah, that's what here also you are mentioned there.
No. The problem is if it is not received through special rupee Vastro account, it will not be considered as an export. So LUT is not not a different.
One man is doing the business of export of service from Madurai. He
Okay.
is doing the service to abroad.
Okay.
He is getting the money in INR. Then I told them to get LUT and I put it at 6A as without payment of tax as export of service.
Sir, kindly recheck whether that is received through special rupee Vastro account. Otherwise, it will not be considered as an export. That LUT will not defend the client, supplier of service.
I know very well. The recipient is in abroad. I know very well.
No, sir, the recipient doesn't matter. This 5 conditions should be satisfied to
The recipient
define as a
not,
export of service.
but the bank credit at INR in Indian money, INR.
Yes, sir, but that should be a special rupee Vastro account. Other than that, it is not a approved route. It will not be considered as an export at all. That is the issue I practically facing.
Yes, sir.
Ganeshamurthy,
Please, sir.
Ganeshamurthy and Venu sir. My
Tell me, sir.
first case today was about that only.
Yes, yes.
In that case, the client has received the money through PayPal. PayPal received the money in foreign convertible currency in his account. Then he changed it to Indian currency and credited to the account of a person in Tamil Nadu.
Yeah.
So it was permitted.
It was permitted because PayPal acting as an agent, and
Yes.
he proved that. But in SAR case, we don't know how he getting INR.
I will check. I will check.
That's the issue. And CMA sir, CMA Madan Kumar sir,
Moscow.
asking explain the Vastro account.
No, I've
Vastro
already
is a-
explained in my. You
Okay.
can explain. Explain, please.
Okay.
Go
I
ahead.
will explain, sir. If any correction, you may.
No issue. Explain.
Okay, sir. Okay. Actually, the special rupee Vastro account is an account opened by the partner bank. For example, the transaction, your client having a HDFC bank account, that HDFC having a partner account or having a tie-up with another country bank. For example, TBS in Singapore, okay, having a special rupee Vastro account for this purpose. If it is, for example, I think in my case, okay, I have one case. Voice is not clear. Okay, I have one export of service case. In this case, that money received from a foreign bank to the RBI account, a special account called Nastro account. Okay. So Nastro and Vastro is nothing but all. It is like a difference between sales and purchase. Okay. The seller, for example, the money sent from is a Vastro account. The money received is a Nastro account. This is just a special account permitted by RBI. That's all. Actually, I don't familiar with this account. Just I have a deal with one export of service. So I familiar with this case. So I want to discuss in this forum. So I put this FAQ. Sir Sendamil Selvan, sir, you may explain if anything other than that.
So a Vastro account is an account of a banking in which foreign bank provides financial services on behalf of a domestic banks. That is, domestic bank will be having a tie-up with a foreign bank, and that foreign bank will be providing services for the client of the domestic bank. So that foreign bank first receives the money in foreign currency and credit to the domestic bank on whose behalf he is acting as an agent. This is a Vastro account.
Okay.
Hope you understand, or you want me to explain again?
Madan Kumar, sir.
Madan Kumar.
கேக்குதா சார் சார் அந்த இந்தியன் ரூபீஸ்ல வந்து இவங்க கேக்குதா சார்
அதாவது லோக்கல்ல இருக்கிற ஒரு டொமஸ்டிக் பேங்க் வந்து they will be having tie up with a foreign bank.
ஓகே சார்
They will act on behalf of this local bank to collect the money. So அந்த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஃபாரின் பேங்க் வந்து ஃபாரின் கரன்சில வாங்கியிருப்பாங்க. வாங்கிட்டு அவங்க வந்து இந்தியன் கரன்சியில டொமஸ்டிக்ல இருக்க, அதாவது இந்தியாவில் இருக்க பேங்க்கு கிரெடிட் பண்ணிடுவாங்க. ஸோ இது சேம் திங் லைக் பேபால். பேபால்ல இட் இஸ் எ கம்பெனி விச் இஸ் ஆக்டிங் ஆஸ் அன் ஏஜென்ட். அவனுடைய வேலையை வந்து பேபாலுடைய வேலையை வந்து ஃபாரின் கிளைண்ட்டு சார்பாக வந்து ஆர்டர்ஸ் ப்ரொக்யூர் பண்ணி வாங்கி கொடுத்துட்டு அவன் ஃபாரின் கஸ்டமர்கிட்ட இருந்து மணி வாங்கி இங்கே ரெமிட் பண்ணுவான். இங்கே பண்ணும்போது இந்தியன் கரன்சியில் பண்ணுவான். அவனுக்கு வந்து வர்றது ஃபாரின் எக்ஸ்சேஞ்சில் தான் வரும். அதை வந்து இந்தியன் கரன்சியில் மாற்றி கொடுத்துருவாங்க. அதே வேலையை இந்த பேங்க் வில் டூ இட். இந்த கேஸில் வந்து வாஸ்ட்ரோ அக்கௌண்ட் பேங்க்கு, பேபால்ன்றது இட்ஸ் ஏ கம்பெனி விச் இஸ் டூயிங் த சேம் சர்வீஸ். பட் பேங்க்கில் வந்து ஒன்லி இது ரிசீவ் த மணி. பட் இந்த கேஸில் பேபாலில் வந்து தே ஆக்ட் அஸ் அன் ஏஜென்ட் ஃபார் தி கிளைண்ட்ஸ் அவுட் சைடு இந்தியா. அவனுடைய வெப்சைட்டில் ரிஜிஸ்டர் பண்ணிட்டீங்கன்னா, அவங்க மூலமாக வாங்கினீங்க அப்படின்னா அவன் வந்து அவங்க சார்பாக என்னென்ன எக்ஸ்பென்ஸ் ஆச்சோ அதெல்லாம் கழிச்சிட்டு பேலன்ஸ் அமௌண்ட்டை இங்கே அனுப்பிச்சிடுவான். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் 1000 ரூபாய் வருது அப்படின்னா 1000 ரூபாயில் 100 ரூபாய் செலவாச்சுன்னா 100 ரூபாய் கழிச்சிட்டு 900 ருபீஸு இந்தியன் கரன்சியில் இங்கே இருக்கிற பார்ட்டிக்கு அனுப்பிச்சிடுவாங்க. தட் இஸ் பை பேபால். வாஸ்ட்ரோ அக்கௌண்ட்டுக்கும் அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு டைப் இருக்கும் லோக்கல் பேங்க்குக்கும் ஃபாரின் பேங்க்குக்கும். ஸோ ஃபாரின் பேங்க் வில் கலெக்ட் த மணி அண்ட் ரெமிட் இட் டு தி லோக்கல் பேங்க். ஐ ஹோப் இட் இஸ் கிளியர்.
எஸ் சார், எஸ் சார், ஓகே சார்.
இன் டோட்டல் வந்து ஃபாரின் கன்வெர்ட்டபிள் கரன்சி தான், வேற ஒன்றும் இல்லை. அதுதான் கண்டிஷன்.
Thank you,
நம்ம
sir.
ரிசீவ்
Thank you.
நம்ம instead of we are receiving it as a foreign currency, he is going to receive it and convert it and say, give it. First condition வந்து it is in foreign currency அப்படின்றது fulfill ஆயிடுது, அதனால they have to refund it. That's all.
Reportable means it is convertible. Am I right?
Yes, you are right, sir. In your case, you have to see the individual, Venu sir. You have to see. You have to see in what mode he has received, whether it is directly by him or through foreign bank or through PayPal.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
For example, some person transfer from their relative account in India itself. That's the problem arises.
Yes. That's correct.
In that case, the problem arises.
Ganeshamurthy.
ஸ்மால் டவுட் சார்.
Yes, sir. சொல்லுங்க.
Mr. Ganeshamurthy.
அப்ப நான் வந்து இங்க இருந்து அமெரிக்காவுக்கு எக்ஸ்போர்ட் பண்ணா நான் வந்து இந்த அக்கௌண்ட் ஓபன் பண்ணுமா இல்ல பேங்க் ஓபன் பண்ணிச்சுமா சார்? இது
You cannot open it. Bank will do it, and you have to confirm whether that amount is received in INR through this account.
Okay.